Hello, everyone. Gratitude is the right attitude, isn't it? Let's make this 3D thankful tree for Thanksgiving. It's not just to show what we are thankful for, but also helping our kids to make it a habit to express thankfulness and appreciation in all parts of life. Let's start by cutting some leaves out of color papers. Once we have enough leaves, stick a piece of double-sided tape on each leaf. Now cut two rectangular cardboard pieces out of an unused box like this. Take a piece of white paper in the size of the rectangular cardboard pieces that we cut and paint a trunk of a tree. This would become a stencil for our 3D tree. Place this white paper on the cardboard and cut along the trunk of the tree. Once we have two identical trunks, mark a point on them. Slit the center of the trunks until the point we marked, one from the bottom and the other one from the top, this way. Now carefully slide the trunks over. Just ensure that they fit each other. Once we have the 3D trunk ready, give the leaves to your family members and have them write about what they are thankful for on the leaves. And then stick the leaves on the trunk. Once done, display it on a center table so that it reminds us to be thankful. Isn't it crazily easy? Well, I hope you liked this video. If you do, please hit the like button and subscribe if you have not yet. This is your Sue signing off.